Hello everyone, welcome to Shu channel. Today I gonna react to rare animals only found in the Philippines. I don't know which one is rare in the only found in the Philippines. Let's see. Before watching the video, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thank you. Okay, let's go.
10 animals native to the Philippines. The Philippines is a beautiful archipelago nation made up of 7,641 islands. It is known for its many beautiful beaches, delicious fruits, and exotic
Fruits is really delicious. I love it.
No
I
lack of
love
fun
to
and
eat
exciting
in the
things to
Philippines.
do. It would take more than 20 years to spend just a day on each of the islands, but you should make sure to carve out some time to see the amazing wildlife. The Philippines are home to a host of exotic and exciting species. There are 10 animals native to the Philippines.
Okay, let's go.
Number 10, Philippine flying lemur. Known
What?
locally as the Katwang, the
Is
Philippine
that
flying lemur
bat?
has a bit of a misleading name. It is technically not a species of lemur, and it actually can't fly. What's up with that? Well, you'll be relieved to know that this beautiful species can actually glide for distances as far as 100 meters. How does it do this? It has a foot-long tail that is connected to its front legs with a skin membrane. The result is a monkey-looking creature with big bat-like wings. They
I
also
see.
have
I
long
got
feet
it.
for
I
fast
got it.
climbing.
But
This
where I
nocturnal
can
creature
find
spends its
this?
days
Where I
fastened
can
to the
see
side
this?
of trees, sleeping and resting. But at night, they glide from tree to tree, eating fruits, insects, young leaves, and flowers. Because fruit is one of the major agricultural products of the Philippines, the locals actually considered this fruit-eating lemur a pest. But that doesn't keep
So
us
sad.
from considering it a beautiful Philippine species and putting it on our list. Number 9, Philippine crocodile.
What?
Let's get a bit
Where,
more
where?
details, shall we? The Philippine crocodile is a comparatively small species of crocodile native to the Philippine Islands. As a freshwater crocodile, they can be found in lakes, rivers, ponds, and especially marshlands. You can tell a young hatchling by its golden brown scales, but the species
I saw crocodile in Crocodile Park, Davao City, but where I can see native, wild crocodile in the Philippines. Wow, that's amazing. But it's so scary.
Despite being a smaller breed of crocodile, they still usually grow 2 meters long, and the largest recorded Philippine crocodile was 3 meters or 9 feet long. You won't find me getting near the business end of those teeth. Unfortunately, because of this fact, humans
What
have
if
been
I
able to hunt and
encountered
kill
this?
Philippine crocodiles.
So scary.
Their skin and meat can be sold for profit. Currently, the Philippine crocodile is a protected species. Let's hope that their number jumps back up soon. Number 8, Palawan Peacock Pheasant. This bird is drop dead gorgeous. The Palawan
Pheasant.
Peacock Pheasant
Peacock.
is known to be an elusive species of bird.
Yeah, this is
but if you manage to catch a glimpse,
easy to
you'll be
guess
rewarded
where
with a
they
great
live.
view of a beautiful shining coat of rich blue feathers. You'll know it by the distinctive crest atop its head and the male's distinctive tail feathers. Yes, the Palawan peacock
Yeah,
pheasant
this
is
vivid
named after
color
the
is
peacock
really
for a
nice.
reason. Well, not as extravagant as the peacock male's lavish tail feather display when it fights off predators or tries to woo a mate. The Palawan peacock pheasant is capable of extending its tail feathers in a similar
but
way. The plumage
is it
covered with
engaged?
robin blue spots that
Is it
resemble
in a
eyes
zoo?
and help to scare predators away. They'll also use this extravagant display in their mating rituals. The Palawan peacock pheasant is one of those rare species of animal that is truly monogamous, and both parents typically help to rear newly hatched chicks. Number 7, Tamarau. The Tamarau is native to Mindoro, one of the largest islands in the Philippines, and so locals generally call it the Mindoro dwarf buffalo, and this name is right on the money. The Tamarau looks like, well, a dwarf buffalo. They are small and stocky, a gray-black color with a stout pair of straight backward-pointing horns. Even though they're small for a buffalo, they still weigh
So
a
we
stout
can see
200
wild,
kilos. Do you want to catch a glimpse of
this
wild Tamarau eating
buffalo-like
shoots and
creature
grassy forests and grasslands?
in
Unfortunately, that's
Mindoro?
getting harder and harder to do. A count in 2016 placed the
Is
wild
that not
Tamarau count at
dangerous?
only 430, placing it on on the crucially endangered species list. They
Endangered
continue to be
species,
hunted by
wow.
poachers for sport and meat, and human population growth is relentlessly threatening their habitat. Luckily,
Ah,
the most recent count places their numbers at 466 to 494,
only less than
though the upward trend
500.
continues. Number 6, Dinaga, Bushy-Tailed Cloud Rat. You might not think of a species called
Rat.
cloud rat as an exciting species of wildlife to seek out, but in many ways, the
That
Dinaga, Bushy-Tailed
rat.
Cloud Rat is the holy grail of Philippine wildlife. It is the rarest of 8
I think
species
I'm
of
not
Filipino
curious
cloud
about
rats, all
rat.
of which are either threatened or endangered. It made its first appearance only in the 1970s and wasn't seen again until 2012. That's 4 decades between sightings. It's no wonder that many conservationists thought the species was extinct. They are a tree-dwelling species of rodent that feeds on leaves, and they can grow up to 2.5 feet long. Because of the uniqueness of this critically endangered species, it is the mascot of the Philippine Biodiversity Conservation Foundation. But studies of the species remain limited due to how difficult they are to find. All I can say is if you're lucky enough to encounter one of these rare creatures during your trips to the Philippines,
So they are
count yourself
protected
lucky.
by the
Hey, are you
Philippines
enjoying the video?
government.
Make sure you find and click that like button down below. We're trying to reach 500 likes this time. Can you help us get there? Number 5, Husaya, warty pig. All right, back to the
Wow,
animals. This is
it's
another
combined of
extremely rare
pig
species of
and
animals driven from their homes by deforestation during the 1970s and 80s. Today, only around 300 of them live in captivity. They were named for the quote
yeah, I
unquote
think
warts
we
on their
have
faces,
this
but
kind of
mohawk
similar
pig
one
might
in
have been
Japan
just as appropriate
also.
for a name. They can be recognized by the distinctive
It's
tuft
called
of hair atop
Inobuta.
their heads, and that has been described as very mohawk-like.
What
Believe it or not,
they,
this
they,
floppy
they,
mane
they
is
eat
grown
that
by males
directly?
every year to help them attract mates. But you'll also want to keep an eye on the sharp tusks that extend out from their faces. Yes, those can be quite dangerous, but that doesn't mean that their species deserves to be completely eradicated. Despite strict government poaching policies, they continue to be poached for their meat, which is considered a delicacy by some. Thankfully, the species is breeding well in captivity, and efforts have already begun to reintroduce them into the wild. Number 4, Philippine moose deer. What would you get if you took a tiny little field
Tiny
mouse and
little-
mixed it with a graceful
Where?
deer? Why the Philippine
Where I
moose
can
deer,
see
of
this?
course. Okay, this species isn't actually a moose deer hybrid, but judging by looks alone, it might as well be. Only growing to 18 centimeters at the shoulders, they are hard to spot in their natural habitat, hiding amid thick vegetation. And if you do manage to find one, you'll only
Is
get
that
the briefest of
endangered
glimpses
species
before
as
it
well?
tiptoes away on its dainty little legs. Like many of the other species on the list, the Philippine moose deer has suffered a blow to its population from loss of habitat and hunting. Like the warty pig mentioned just before, its meat is considered a delicacy. Number 3, whale shark.
Whale
You'll
shark,
admit
yeah.
whale sharks
I
live in
went
far more places
whale
than the waters of
swim
the
with
Philippines.
whale shark
After all,
in
the ocean is a
Oslo.
big place. But since thousands of them migrate to the Philippine Elasmo Branch Mecca from December to May, they deserve a spot on this list. Sometimes reaching lengths of up to 40 feet, whale sharks are the largest species of shark in the world. So large, in fact, that they have often been mistaken for whales, thus the name. But don't worry, they aren't after humans. They swim around close to the surface to catch tiny food sources in the water like plankton. Do a YouTube search and you'll find plenty of videos.
Yeah,
of
but it's
scuba
so
divers
scary.
safely
They
swimming
open the
around
mouth
massive whale
widely.
sharks as they meander around them in the deep blue. In the Philippines, the prime time to spot a whale shark is from February to April. And so, if you're more of a beach and ocean type of person than a jungle lover, maybe
Whoa, whoa,
you
whoa,
enjoy
whoa,
one of
whoa.
several tourist attractions in the Philippines devoted to swimming with whale sharks. Number 2, Philippine tarsier. Chances are
Tarsier,
you've seen
yeah.
one of these small primates pop up on YouTube before. Their
Yeah,
distinctive
I saw
appearance
this
gives the
in
Philippine
Bohol.
tarsier plenty of airtime on wildlife programs like our own.
This is also
Their
endangered
long,
species,
spindly
right?
Fingers, compact appearance, and absolutely massive eyes. There really isn't
I
anything
thought
that's
to-
quite like a tarsier. In my opinion, it
I'm
constantly
really
looks
excited
like
to
it's just
see
seen the
this,
most shocking
but
thing
the-
it could possibly
but
imagine.
actually,
It is one of the world's
this is
smallest primates,
only
and
this
everything
much
about it is
tiny
built for not
monkey,
life.
so
One of the first things that you probably
it isn't
notice about this
excited,
small creature
honestly.
when you saw it is its massive eyes. These are perfect for seeing at night. Likewise,
And
its large,
basically,
pointed ears are very
we are there
fine sounds very
until
effectively.
afternoon, so
Can use its hearing as a tool to navigate dark jungle nights.
they're
You might know that
basically
reindeers should
sleeping,
be purchased
so
as pets through some
we
exotic
cannot
vendors,
see
but
their
you might want to think
movements.
twice before buying one. These animals cope terribly with captivity and often don't survive the ordeal. They are better off left to the wild jungles that they love. Before we reveal our favorite animal native to the Philippines, thank you so much for watching. And while you're thinking about it, why don't you go ahead and share this video with your friends? If you liked it, I'm sure they will too. Number one, Philippine eagle.
Philippines
What's known as the
eagle,
one
yeah, yeah,
headed
yeah.
eagle,
I
the
went
Philippine eagle's
Davao
bird.
Eagle Center
In
and
fact,
I
it's
saw
one of the
this
largest and strongest
Philippines
species of
eagle.
eagles on the entire planet. On
Yeah,
top
but
of its
this is
impressive size,
endangered
the Philippine
species
eagle has
as
an
well,
impressive
right?
long-arched beak and
Mm.
distinctively
And
majestic long crown
sadly,
feathers.
in
Besides,
Eagle
eagles
Center,
is a bird that managed to keep its
Philippines
hair
eagle
and
is
its
not
nose
in a
true.
good
Eagle, in
condition.
keeping with its reputation for strength
Based
and
on
superiority,
their
the
fur.
Philippine eagle also eats
Their
lemurs,
fur is no
snakes,
longer
and bats. But the best thing about
maintained.
Philippine eagles is its success
I
story.
observed
Not
they
long
had
ago, there were only
rough
a few of these birds left.
fur,
They were on the verge of extinction.
so that means
Thanks to the
they're
Philippine
not in a
Eagle
good
Center,
condition.
their numbers have sprung back from the brink, and they've been saved from extinction for now. Hey, thanks for watching. Want to suggest a video? Let us know in
Oh.
the comment section below. Make sure you're subscribed
Okay.
to our channel for more.
Okay, I got it. Okay, I will push the like button. Okay. Yeah, I saw several species in the Philippines, and yeah, I hope see remainings of about to extinction before extinction, or you know, it's better to protect them and grow their numbers. The best way to solve problem. Mm. Yeah, I'm animal lover. Okay, today's video is it. Please subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell to not miss my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.